So if I go to our home page, something like this, arts look something this. Okay, it was first option, creating your website from scratch. There are another option to creating some pages. Like if I go to that page again, you can also use some pre-built sections or page. Let me show you. If I go to premium templates, it will load some templates for me. Before going to premium templates, let's go to Elementors. Okay, yeah, what it here you can see the ready-made page for your website. Okay, you don't have to create all the stuffs one by one. So let me don't do this thing on that page because it's our home page. Let me go to the our admin area and I can do that here from executive dashboard. Okay, now what I will do, I will create another page. You can say as about page. Okay, go back to admin, add a new page like this, and I will create it like our about page. I click on about, publish this page, and I go to view this page. Okay, this page is something like that. What I will do, firstly I will change the layout of this page, 100% full width. Now update it, it will be 100% full width now. Cool. Now what I want to show you, just click on edit with Elementor. In our home page we created all the things one by one. I mean, we did all the things. But if you are using some plugins, so what you can do, you can just use any of the pre-built templates. That means choose any of the template, like this is home page, home. Suppose that I want this page, I like this page. I will just click on the insert. What it will do now, it will import the whole page. Okay, this is called as a ready-made page, pre-built page. Okay, you don't have to create this page. Yeah, so now you can see that we have just click on the page, and let me choose our latest news. Don't say. So in this section, in this page, we doesn't perform any action. Let me update it and refresh my about page here. What you can see, all the things are pre-made. You can change the text here. I mean, whatever text you want, you can change it, and all things are already have been done for you. You don't need to create all the stuffs from the beginning. This is something like that. There are another options. Go back to this here. Yeah, you can also import some sections. Sections means some parts of the website. I mean, just just like we created our about section, our home section, hero section. So you can import any of one section. So that I like this section, so I will just click on insert. Now our website is ending with this section, our latest news something. Okay, now we imported this section. If I update it, refresh. Cool. Now you can see that we have another section that is selected word, something like that. So we can also use some sections here. This is the due to our plugin that is called as Elementors eKit. Okay, if you are using this plugin, so you can do that. There is another plugin that we have installed, that was Envato. Envato element. So if I go to this element, here what we can do, here we can import whole websites. Yeah, I mean, you don't need to create all the things. You can import the whole websites from starting to ending. You have to just change the text. Let me show you. If I click on any of one, like preview, this is loading. So now you can see that here is home page 1, home page 2, home page 3. Some are paid version. I mean, these all are not free. If you want to use this, so you have to buy some plugins. Okay, like about us page, service page. So you don't need to create all the page. If you just click on install kit, so it will create all the websites for you. You have to just change the text for your website. Okay, this is due to our plugin that is called as Envato. Cool. So now you can see that all the things are very easy. So website creation is very easy. Just you have to enjoy it.